Good evening, everybody. It's Chris
Hi, Joan.
from Chris and Jones Travels. Joan's hiding because she's all packed up, ready to go home tomorrow. Ooh. So today we did the normal morning stuff, and then we took a ride up to Hanapuna Beach, and we hung out there. And I went snorkeling. We spent 5 hours up at the beach, just kind of laying out in the sun, working on our tans. Playing around. We got lots of sun in. I found out here at the timeshare that they rent snorkel gear for mask, snorkel, and fins for $10 for one day, or 30 some odd dollars for the week. Great to find that out on the last day. So I rented some snorkel fins and goggles, and I went snorkeling up there at the beach. We probably spent 5.5 hours there. Then drove back down to Kona. We went to the market, and Joni went and got some donkey balls. So we finally got our donkey balls chocolate. And then we came back to the timeshare. Nice easy day. Joni cooked dinner. We had spaghetti dinner, really good. Spaghetti, corn, salad. And then Joni and I went down to the hot tub. We came back, finished packing, and this is it. Really, this is the last night here. We're leaving tomorrow morning. We got to be out of the timeshare at 7:30. Be at the airport at 8:30. The flight's at 10:30. So this is our day 9 vlog. I think it's day 9. Yeah, day 9. It's the 19th. And again, short day. It's kind of a repeat. We went to the beach again. So I'm Chris.
I'm Joan.
From Chris and Jones Travels. Everybody have a good day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's right. Like and subscribe.